In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Shopify account set up and be looking at the admin dashboard ready to start exploring. First, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar and looking for the secure padlock icon. This helps ensure you're entering information on the real Shopify website. On the homepage, find and click the button that says Start for Free. This begins Shopify's free trial process, which lets you explore features without immediate payment. The button is typically near the top of the page. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or check the main banner. Next, you'll choose how you want to sign up. You can use an email address or continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Using a single sign-on option can be quicker and keeps your login tied to an account you already manage. If you prefer to keep your store separate from personal accounts, the email option is a solid choice. Either way, pick the method that fits how you like to manage logins. If you select email, enter a valid email address you have regular access to, then create a secure password. Aim for a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a password manager for safekeeping. Double check for typos in your email before you continue, since this is how you'll receive important notices about your store. After you submit your information, Shopify will take you straight to the admin dashboard. This is your command center. On the left, you'll see sections like Home, Orders, Products, Customers, and Apps, along with settings at the bottom. From here, you can adjust store details, explore themes, add products, and manage everything about your online shop. It's a good idea to bookmark the dashboard page so you can get back to it quickly. If the Start for Free button doesn't appear, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. If you run into an error while signing up, check that your email is formatted correctly and that your password meets the minimum requirements. For single sign-on, make sure pop-ups aren't blocked and that you're logged into the correct account in your browser. That's it, you visited shopify.com, clicked Start for Free, chose your sign-up method, entered your details, and landed in the Shopify admin dashboard. You're now ready to explore and start building your store.